Now let's move on to the second question. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. And the first subdivision is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So let's start with this problem. Let the numerator be x. Let the denominator be y. Therefore, the fraction is x over y. Now, the first condition, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. So, x plus 1 over y minus 1 equals 1, or x plus 1 equals y minus 1, or x minus y equals negative 2. So if you take this plus 1 to the other side, it becomes negative 1, negative 1 and negative 1 will become negative 2, and this y coming to the left side will become negative. So let this be equation 1. And similarly, we'll work on the second condition. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So x by y plus 1 equals half, and we can further simplify this. 2x equals y plus 1, or 2x minus y equals 1. So let this be equation 2. Now we have got two equations. Let's see how we can solve this. Now equation 1 minus equation 2 can be written as x minus y equals negative 2 minus of 2x minus y equals 1. So to carry out the subtraction, we can change sign and add the elements. So this will be negative, this is positive, and this is negative. So now let's do the addition part. So these two terms will get cancelled, and this will be negative x equals negative 3, or x equals 3. So this is the numerator, the value of x. Substituting x equals 3 in, maybe we can put it in first equation. So let's put this in equation 1. So 3 minus y equals minus 2. Therefore 3 plus 2 equals y. That's taking y to the other side and bringing this negative to the left side. So y equals 5 is the other value. Therefore the fraction is x over y equals 3 over 5, which is our answer. Now let's move on to second subdivision. 5 years ago, Noori's age was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So we can start like this. Let Noori's age be x. Let Sonu's age be y. Now what is the first scenario? 5 years ago, Noori's age was thrice as old as Sonu. So x minus 5 equals 3 times y minus 5. X minus 5 equals 3y minus 15, or x minus 3y equals negative 15 plus 5. X minus 3y equals negative 10. So this is the first equation based on the first condition. Now let's move on to the second condition. 10 years from now, so 10 years later, okay, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So x plus 10 will be twice y plus 10. So this is x plus 10 equals 2y plus 20, and x minus 2y equals 20 minus 10 or x minus 2y equals 10. This is equation 2. Now in both these equations there is one x term, so we can subtract 2 from 1 to eliminate x term. Now let's do 1 minus 2. What is that? X minus 3y equals negative 10 minus of x minus 2y equals 10. To subtract, we can change the sign and do addition. So therefore these two terms will get cancelled, and negative 3y plus 2y is negative y equals negative 20 or y equals 20. So this is the first value, and now we'll substitute y equals 20 in equation 1. So x minus 3 times 20 equals negative 10. So x minus 60 equals negative 10, or x equals negative 10 plus 60, x equals 50. So we have found the values, and the answer is Nouri's age is x equal to 50 years and Sonu's age, which is y, equals 20 years. So this is our answer.